Morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, do you remember what we did in math before the vacations? We learned about heavy and light things. Yes, we compared heavy and light things. Can you guess what is our today's topic? Well, the lesson is the same, that is, how much can you carry? But today we are going to learn about the units of measurement, that is, grams and kilograms.
Chotu Monkey and the Carrots. Chicky and Mickey Rabbits saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting for the carrots. Chicky said, I'll take bigger carrots. Mickey said, No, I am bigger, so I will take the bigger carrots. Chotu Monkey came to help them. Both of them told their problem to Chotu Monkey. We want to share the carrots equally between us. But some carrots are big and some are small. What do we do? Chotu Monkey said, I will help you. He brought something to help them. Can you guess what is it?
Chotu Monkey used a weighing balance to help Chicky and Mickey. Weight is the measure of the heaviness of an object.
Children, have you ever visited a grocery shop with your parents to buy groceries? And have you observed how your mother asks for things from the shopkeeper? Does she say like this? भैया जरा 2-2 किलो दाल चावल पनीर मैगी इलायची ओरियो बिस्किट और गरम मसाला देना. No. Why are you laughing? You are very smart and intelligent. You know that we don't buy everything in kilos. There are different units to measure things which are heavy and light.
Why are there various units of weight? When you hear gram, imagine holding a paper clip. And when you hear kilogram, imagine holding a dictionary.
A paper clip weighs about 1 gram and a heavy book like dictionary weighs around 1 kg.
We use the unit grams to measure weight of light things and kilograms to measure weight of heavy things. This is a bag of rice which weighs 10 kgs and these handful of tomatoes weigh 200 grams. Light things are measured in grams and heavy things are measured in kgs.
This is the picture of the storeroom of Simran's house. She wants to help her father. Guess which bags Simran can carry. But before that, see what all is there on the rack. 1 kg salt, 2 kg sugar, 2 kg dal, 1 kg ghee, 2 kg cooking oil, 5 kg rice and 5 kg atta. Now guess who can carry what? Her father, her mother, her younger sister. Can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which ones? And which bags can you carry?
Simran can carry 1 kg salt, 1 kg ghee or 2 kg cooking oil. Her father can carry 5 kg rice and 5 kg atta. Her mother can carry 2 kg sugar and 2 kg dal. Her younger sister cannot carry anything because she is very young. Simran can carry a bag of 1 kg salt and a container of 1 kg ghee together. Children, tomorrow we will do an activity which will help you to understand the relationship between grams and kilograms. Before that, you need to know the following. The gram is the smallest unit of mass, also called weight. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So, how many metal bars of 500 grams will make 1000 grams? 2 metal bars. 2 metal bars of 500 grams will make 1000 grams, which is equal to 1 kg. So be prepared for tomorrow's activity. Bye bye. Take care.